be eligible for a Maryland Master Electrician license, there are specific requirements related to experience, education, and documentation. Firstly, the standard requirement is 7 years of combined practical experience as a journeyman electrician. This experience must be under the direct supervision of a licensed master electrician. Secondly, completing an approved 4-year apprenticeship program is also required. Thirdly, you must provide adequate documentation to prove both your experience and completion of the apprenticeship program. However, there is an exception to the 7-year experience rule. This exception applies if you possess 10 years of practical experience in electrical construction or maintenance. In addition to the 10 years of experience, you need written endorsements from 3 master electricians. These master electricians must have supervised your work for a minimum of 2 years each. Based on the information provided, there are 9 years of experience as an electrician and a certified apprenticeship card. This suggests the education and overall experience criteria may be met. However, a potential challenge is the lack of fully documented experience working directly under the supervision of a master electrician for the entire 7-year period, if relying on that path for eligibility. To address this, you should focus on gathering the required documentation to support eligibility for the Master Electrician exam. Firstly, contact the Master Electricians who have supervised previous electrical work. Request that they provide signed letters that specifically confirm the duration and nature of the electrical work he performed under their supervision. Secondly, provide those master electricians with any available documentation that supports your claim of completing the apprenticeship program and any records documenting your 9 years of experience in the field. It is critical to verify that the master electricians providing endorsements are currently licensed to practice in Maryland and that they directly supervised your work for at least 2 years each. After gathering these endorsements, the next step involves contacting the Maryland Board of Master Electricians. You will need to discuss qualifications with the board and verify eligibility to sit for the Master Electrician exam. You must submit a formal application to take the Master Electrician exam. If there has been a break in working in the trade, it may be beneficial to consider a refresher course. Study thoroughly to prepare for the exam. Also, explore opportunities through electrical unions or industry associations. They may offer potential programs or assistance to help transition back into the trade and obtain any additional documentation that might be required. It is also recommended to thoroughly review the current regulations and requirements outlined by the Maryland Board of Master Electricians. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding eligibility and the application process. Furthermore, it's essential to understand the scope of work permitted under a Master Electrician license in Maryland. This understanding will help to prepare for the responsibilities and liabilities associated with holding such a license. Also research the continuing education requirements needed to maintain the license once it is acquired. The Maryland Board of Master Electricians outlines specific courses or training that may be necessary to keep the license current. It is also important to understand the local codes and regulations that may supplement the National Electrical Code. Understanding any local amendments is crucial for ensuring compliance in electrical installations. Explore the possibility of joining professional organizations or associations for electricians in Maryland. These organizations can offer valuable resources, networking opportunities, and continuing education programs. Understanding the process for renewing a Master Electrician license in Maryland is very important. There may be specific requirements, such as completing continuing education hours and paying renewal fees to maintain the license in good standing. Furthermore, research the insurance requirements for master electricians in Maryland. Obtaining appropriate liability insurance is critical to protect against potential claims or damages arising from electrical work. It's important to develop a strong understanding of electrical safety practices and procedures. Consistently following these practices is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring the safety of yourself and others. You should also familiarize yourself with the process for reporting electrical safety violations or code infractions in Maryland. Reporting such violations helps maintain safety standards and protect the public. Keeping abreast of changes in electrical technology and industry best practices is an ongoing process. Participating in training programs and staying informed about new products and techniques will ensure continued competence. Additionally, understand the legal and ethical responsibilities of a master electrician in Maryland. Upholding ethical standards and complying with all applicable laws are crucial for maintaining a professional reputation. Also, familiarize yourself with the process for resolving disputes with clients or contractors in Maryland. Having a clear understanding of dispute resolution mechanisms can help to avoid legal issues. Furthermore, research the potential career paths and opportunities available to master electricians in Maryland. Exploring different areas of specialization or career advancement can lead to greater job satisfaction and financial rewards. Understand the role of electrical inspections in ensuring compliance with safety codes and regulations in Maryland. Being prepared for inspections and addressing any identified issues promptly is crucial. It's also important to develop strong communication and interpersonal skills. Effectively communicating with clients, contractors, and other stakeholders is essential for successful project management. Research the resources available to support the growth and development of electrical businesses in Maryland. These resources may include business training programs, financing options, and mentorship opportunities. Furthermore, stay informed about changes in energy efficiency standards and regulations in Maryland. Implementing energy-efficient technologies and practices can help clients save money and reduce their environmental impact. Understand the process for obtaining permits and approvals for electrical work in Maryland. Complying with permitting requirements is crucial for avoiding delays and penalties. It is also important to develop a strong understanding of project management principles. Effectively managing projects from start to finish ensures that work is completed on time and within budget. Research the potential for specializing in specific areas of electrical work, such as renewable energy systems or industrial automation. Specializing can lead to increased expertise and higher earning potential. Also, stay informed about advancements in smart home technology and the integration of electrical systems with other building systems. Understanding these trends can help provide clients with innovative solutions. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of troubleshooting techniques for identifying and resolving electrical problems. Efficient troubleshooting skills can save time and money on projects. It's important to understand the requirements for labeling and documenting electrical installations in Maryland. Proper labeling and documentation ensures that future maintenance and repairs can be performed safely and efficiently. Research the potential for offering value-added services to clients such as energy audits or electrical safety inspections. Providing these services can differentiate from competitors and build stronger client relationships. Also, stay informed about changes in the National Electrical Code and how they impact electrical installations in Maryland. Adhering to the latest code requirements is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of grounding and bonding principles for electrical systems. Proper grounding and bonding is essential for preventing electrical shock hazards. It's important to understand the requirements for testing and commissioning electrical systems in Maryland. Thorough testing and commissioning ensures that systems are operating safely and efficiently. Research the potential for using technology to improve efficiency and productivity in electrical work, such as mobile apps or cloud-based project management tools. Using technology can help streamline workflows and reduce administrative overhead. Also, stay informed about changes in cybersecurity threats and how they can impact electrical systems, particularly those connected to the internet. Implementing cybersecurity best practices can help protect systems from unauthorized access and control. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of arc flash hazards and safety procedures. Arc flash protection is crucial for preventing serious injuries or fatalities. It's important to understand the requirements for disposing of electrical waste and recycling materials in Maryland. Proper disposal and recycling helps protect the environment. Research the potential for collaborating with other trades professionals, such as plumbers or HVAC contractors, on integrated building projects. Collaboration can lead to more comprehensive and efficient solutions. Also, stay informed about changes in building codes and how they impact electrical installations in Maryland. Coordinating electrical work with other building systems ensures compliance and avoids conflicts. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of electrical system design principles. Effective design ensures that systems are safe, reliable, and efficient. It's important to understand the requirements for providing warranties and guarantees for electrical work in Maryland. Offering warranties and guarantees can build trust with clients and protect against potential liabilities. Research the potential for using sustainable materials and practices in electrical installations. Using sustainable materials and practices can help reduce the environmental impact of projects. Also, stay informed about changes in industry standards and certifications for electrical products and equipment. Using certified products ensures that they meet safety and performance requirements. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of the legal and contractual aspects of electrical work. Having a solid understanding of contracts and legal issues can help avoid disputes and protect legal rights. It's important to understand the requirements for obtaining insurance coverage for specific types of electrical work, such as high voltage installations or hazardous locations. Adequate insurance coverage can protect against potential financial losses. Research the potential for using renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to supplement or replace traditional electrical power. Integrating renewable energy sources can reduce energy costs and promote sustainability. Also, stay informed about changes in government regulations and incentives for energy efficiency and renewable energy projects. Taking advantage of incentives can help reduce project costs and promote adoption of energy-efficient technologies. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of the economic factors that influence the electrical industry, such as material costs, labor rates, and competition. Understanding these factors can help make informed business decisions. It's important to understand the requirements for protecting intellectual property rights related to electrical designs or inventions. Protecting intellectual property can help maintain a competitive advantage. Research the potential for using artificial intelligence or machine learning to improve efficiency and safety in electrical systems. These technologies can be used for predictive maintenance, fault detection, and energy optimization. Also, stay informed about changes in the global supply chain for electrical components and equipment. Understanding the supply chain can help mitigate risks and ensure timely project completion. Furthermore, develop a strong understanding of the ethical considerations related to the use of technology in electrical systems, such as data privacy and algorithmic bias. Ethical considerations are crucial for ensuring that technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of society. It's important to understand the requirements for complying with environmental regulations related to electrical work, such as waste disposal and pollution prevention. Complying with environmental regulations can help protect the environment and avoid penalties. Research the potential for using advanced sensors and control systems to optimize the performance of electrical systems. Advanced sensors and control systems can improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and enhance system reliability. Also, stay informed about changes in the regulatory landscape for emerging technologies in the electrical industry, such as electric vehicles and energy storage systems. Understanding the regulatory landscape can help navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities.